Hello, my name is Jonathan Gust, and welcome to another edition of Fresh Takes. I'm the product manager for the Sprinter line of Keystone RV, Keystone's first brand. What I'm going to show you today is the outside entertainment areas that you have for the Sprinter product. You're going to have a little bit smaller one like this, and then next we're going to show you the little bit bigger version. The nice thing about this small one, it's still packed with a ton of content. You have a 32-inch TV that's fully adjustable. You can pull it out, adjust to wherever you want to see it at, getting that glare off if you need to. Another really cool feature that's offered at Sprinter and not the competitors is this nice light setup. So you have some nice ambiance lighting at night, but it's not going to overpower your campground, which is awesome. Storage is always king in the outside kitchens. We give you a ton of storage. You can put a ton of gear in there, and of course a refrigerator. Everybody wants to have a refrigerator outside for their pops or anything else. We're going to get that for you. Lastly, we have a big shower hose. This is awesome because those little sinks that you have, you can't wash your pots and pans, the dog, your shoes. You can't do any of that. This is a 14-foot connection that you can take it to the other side of the campground so it's not getting water all over the front of your campsite. Talk about a Campy Made Easy feature that you guys are really going to enjoy. So moving on to the deluxe outside kitchen. You saw the other one before. This is a deluxe model. So as you see, you're going to have a big fridge instead of the small fridge, so you get double the refrigerator space, which is nice. You also get this nice pull-out range, so you get a little countertop space, obviously a nice range top cook area as well. And remember, you're going to have an extra LP connection for anything else you'd like to hook up, and that big giant 14-foot hose that you're going to be able to run around anywhere you want on your campsite. So you're going to have those both ease features as well on this, and of course the 32-inch TV, which is fully movable and functional for you, so you're going to be able to move that to wherever you want it to. And that wraps up the outside entertainment areas for you guys. Thank you very much. Come check out the Sprinter line at KeystoneRV.com or go see your local dealer. Thank you very much.